You want a nice, clean home. So you go out and get spray bottles and cleaners with chemicals for your furniture, your windows, your floors. By the time you get home, you end up looking like this.
Sorry. Sorry again.
Look, no worries. I've got the perfect solution.
Introducing Egret, the next generation all-in-one sterilizer. All you need for it to work is tap water and a tablespoon of salt. Egret's technology has the ability to sterilize and deodorize items by electrolyzing the water within. When mixed with table salt, the process creates hypochlorous acid and OH radicals, which then can be used to kill germs and remove bad odors from your daily life. The steps are simple. Add water, add salt, then electrolyze. After 60 seconds of preparation, it's ready to use. And it can be used to clean just about anything. Spray down items in your kitchen, like appliances, silverware, cups, and plates. Get rid of bad odors in the bathroom. Use it to sterilize your tub or other areas that may really need it. Spray down your furniture or other decor around the home, or even your carpet. It's even safe to use on more delicate items like dog toys or baby products. It's a great item to have. Because even after hard work, using the Egret is a perfect way to freshen up. Whether you use it on your clothes or even your shoes. Egret's not just for the house either. There's no bothersome fumes, so it's safe to use outside or in your car. It's even safe for your fruits and vegetables. Spray or soak your fruits in the electrolyzed water to remove any harmful pesticides or germs. Then simply rinse them off with water and enjoy. Because it sprays a natural cleaning agent, Egret won't change the taste or appearance of your food. Egret provides the all-in-one cleaning device that not only gives you a non-toxic way to sterilize your home, but also saves you money in the hassle of buying multiple products. So, if you'd like to clean your home with a safe and natural solution, back us today and receive your very own Egret.